Number 14, rolling along. In the beginning, we have our time signature, 4/4, which means we have 4 beats in each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, rests get counted. This is a 2-line song. So at the end of the first line, you go to the second line. When you see the double bar at the end, you stop. Now we can play this song as fast or slow as we like. And at this point, switching from the D to the C and the C to the D proves tricky for young flute players. So I suggest practicing it slowly. Here we go.